The IFP 13-point plan emphasizes the importance of vocational training, technical skills, and entrepreneurship as solution to the unemployment crisis. We urge the government to aggressively expand access to technical and vocational training colleges. The King Dinizulu Innovation Valley is a promising initiative and welcome its official opening in June 2025. However, we must ensure that it directly benefits young people from all communities, especially rural areas where opportunities remain scarce. We also acknowledge the efforts of the government in offering learning and earning opportunities through internship and apprenticeship. However, these must translate into permanent employment rather than just temporary relief. Furthermore, the IFP calls for a special focus on rural youth, ensuring that they are not left behind in the digital economy that is being developed. Honorable